It was just another Friday morning, and Friday means weekend here in Dubai. And I'm making idiyappam for breakfast. It's easier for me now as I just need to mix the flour in my kitchen machine. Idiyappam is one of the traditional breakfast item in Kerala and we all love it. In other form, we can call it steamed rice noodles. I'm seeing a lot of videos and pictures in social media of ladies giving haircuts to their husbands and their kids. Today I thought I'll give a haircut to my Portulaca. I think it looks good after the pruning or the haircut. I got this much of leaves by pruning all the Portulaca I have here. I heard many people make salad with this, so I might try that also. So moving on to some other gardening activities. We are having this clay pot in our balcony since a long time. So today my husband has taken it to give it a makeover. First we are removing whatever paint is on its surface. So we have used two kinds of sandpaper for rubbing it off. We just removed whatever paint we can remove and give it a good wash in a tub of water and just let it dry for some time, and we started mixing paint for applying paint all over its surface. Actually, it was a lot more fun when all of us were doing it together. Here I have tried to get a wooden color and I don't know how far I have succeeded in getting that. These three colors are mixed to get the shade I got now. It's just a matter of starting trouble. When you start something, you will want to do it more and more. So I have taken some more pots from my balcony to give a makeover. But with this one, I mixed a little bit of black as well, and it came out more beautiful than what we expected. This shade looked more appealing to us. I mean, it looked more like a metallic shade than the wooden shade that we tried for the first one. We are done with all the pots and they are now kept for drying. And for the lunch, I thought we'll make a stir fry with the purslane that I have pruned. When I searched online, surprisingly, there are a lot of health benefits for purslane. For that, I have sliced some shallots and green chilies. Into some oil, splatter some mustard seeds and add in this shallots and green chilies. Adding in one chopped onion. Now I'm chopping those cleaned purslane along with its stem and adding it to the pan. Chopping one carrot and adding that as well. Once the vegetables are cooked, I'm adding some grated coconut and one egg. Mix well, close the lid and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Your stir fry is ready. Now let's see where the painted pots are kept now. I keep on changing their position now and then, but now the bigger pot is in my balcony with a smaller dum biryani pot turned planter pot on its top. This clay lantern got a nice metallic shade, so I'm keeping it in my living room on a green DIY platform along with money plant, aloe vera and snake plants. This lantern is placed on the floor below the TV unit. And the last pot is in our bedroom with an aloe vera plant on it. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video and see you all until next time. Before that, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.